Purge feature redesign for easier drawing cleanup. Now we have a drawing called apartment building plan. I have shared a link of the same drawing under description. So you just have to check the description for the same drawing. Basically what happened when we create the drawing by using the layers, blocks, annotations. So mostly some of the features of that created items we are not supposed to use, and that unwanted things we want to clean up. So for that we use basically the purge. For example, if you create the layers, so see here we have the number of layers. Might be some layers we haven't used here. So that is the unwanted for us. So if you want to remove the unwanted layer or the unused layer, we basically use the purge. Similarly, if you check this under block, I used to press B for block, and under the name you will check there will be the list of created block. Might be sometimes we don't use the created block, so that will be the unwanted for us. So to clean up such kind of entries, we basically use the purge. To use the purge, you can click on manage, and under this you will find the purge. Similarly, just click here, and under drawing utility you will find the purge option. Similarly, the shortcut key for purge, PU, and say enter. So you will find the purge. So under the purgeable atom, you will find the list of atoms which you can purge. Like under block, you will find this options which you can purge. That is not currently available with the drawing. That means it is a deleted atom. So now in AutoCAD 2021, we have some options. You can have the checkbox like this. So you can purge the required items from the drawing by selecting the checkbox. If you select any block, the preview of that block, you will find it out here. You can just drag this to minimize or maximize the preview. Now you can have the option confirm each atom to be purged. So if you want to confirm the atom before purge, you can just make checkbox on. So it will give a message dialog box for confirmation. Similarly, you will find the purge nested atom. You can make it on if you want to remove unused name object from the drawing, even if they are contained within or refer by other unused name object. Autodesk come up with the one more feature called non-purgeable atom. If you click, so you can easily find the non-purgeable atom. So under the block you will find the list of blocks. This is currently available with the drawing, so you cannot purge this block atom. Similarly, these are the layers which is currently in use, so you cannot purge this item. So if I check any layer, you will find it out the possible reasons here. So this layer cannot be purged because it is being used, and you can find the details of that particular layer here. If I choose a door, so see you will find the details of the door here. If you click on, for example, wall, you will find it out the details of the wall here. Now there is an options called object selection. So you can switch from the purge dialog box and it will be directly select the atom drawing. So here you will see the wall of the drawing gets selected. If you want to change the property, you just have to double click on the wall, and here under the layer you can change the layer property. So if you want to transfer the layer, so see, you will find some changes on the drawing. So this way you can use the purge as it has the new enhancement from Autodesk.